If you've just switched to Opera and you want to bring over your saved passwords, bookmarks, and browsing history from another browser, this video is for you. I'm going to show you the fastest way to import everything you need into Opera so your setup feels familiar right away. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple browser guides like this one. Alright, let's get started. First, open Opera and look to the top left corner of the window. You should see the Opera logo, the red O icon. Click that icon to open the main Opera menu. Next, move your mouse over Bookmarks. A side menu will appear, and from there, click Import Bookmarks and Settings. This opens the import tool inside Opera. A pop-up window will appear with a drop-down menu. Click the drop-down and choose the browser you want to copy data from. For example, if you're coming from Google Chrome, select Google Chrome from the list. Opera can pull data from other browsers too, so pick the one that matches your old setup. Once you've selected the browser, you'll see a list of items you can import. Now check the boxes next to browsing history, favorites or bookmarks, and saved passwords. These are the key items most people want when moving to a new browser, and checking the right boxes makes sure Opera brings over exactly what you need. Before continuing, take a quick moment to confirm the correct browser is selected and the right data types are checked. That way you avoid importing anything unnecessary and keep the process clean and simple. When everything looks good, click the blue import button. Opera will start copying the selected data into your browser. Depending on how much data you have, it may take a few moments to complete. Once the import finishes, your bookmarks, passwords, and history should now be available in Opera. This makes switching browsers much easier because you can keep your saved sites, logins, and recent browsing activity without starting from scratch. And that's it. You've now learned how to import passwords, bookmarks, and browsing history in Opera browser. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more Opera tutorials or browser tips in the future.